This video is to show you a built-in tool. If you have a recent version of Windows 10 or Windows 11 that's up to date, it's probably built into you, already installed on your system. If not, you can go to the Microsoft Store and get Quick Assist. This is a little bit like TeamViewer or Google's Remote Desktop, where you'll put in a security code on one end and then you can help somebody, or if you're a person needing help from someone, you can put in a code that they'll give you and they can get control of your computer. One thing to be careful, don't ever give this to somebody you don't know and trust. You know, like people you get off of a website when you're browsing around and calling from Microsoft support, something like that. Don't ever do that. Just use this with somebody you know and trust, family members, friends, that you maybe can help you out through a problem. Or if you're the person trying to help them out, this is a good thing that you may not be realize is built into Windows. Okay, if you're going to help someone, this is the person giving assistance. So I'm going to pretend on this computer, I'm giving assistance, and on this, inside this Proxmox window here, this is just like a console. It's almost like a virtual keyboard and mouse hooked up and monitor. I'm going to request assistance on this other end, and I'm going to give it from here. If you want to help somebody, you want to be the one giving assistance, you need to click on this Help Someone. You will have to sign into be signed into your Microsoft account for this to work. And I am. Okay, and it gives you a code that's good for 10 minutes. I'm going to go on the remote computer, and I'm going to do it on this one first so you can see what it looks like. But since it's in this little virtual machine window, it doesn't look the same as it does on a regular computer. I can search for Quick Assist. And this person on the other end is going to type in the code that I got right here. I'd have to tell them, be on the phone with them, email it to them or something. ARGME. And that code's only good for like 10 minutes. Oh, GM2E. And I'll submit that. We're going to see it pop over here on this side on my computer. And this can be over the internet. You don't have to be in the same location. Oh, the other person, you see it's going to say I'm waiting for the other person to accept. See, it's going to pop up on the remote end. Do you want to allow the screen sharing? And when they click allow, it's going to pop up on my computer. Now this window looks very small, but it's because of it's a virtual machine through a console. Now, the screen sharing is on, but I can't really, if I wanted to try to help this person and show and do something for them, I can't do it. I would have to click now, as me being the helper, the one who's giving help. I would have to ask them again, can I control and not just view the screen? So I'm going to click on Request Control, and if we go back to their computer, they're going to have, I'm requesting control, allow it. So now when I come back, now I can actually, you know, do things on this computer. And so I can control their computer. Probably just want to be on the phone with them when you're doing this. Fix their problem, and then I can leave. And what you're going to see now is that it ended for them. Now, what I'm going to do also is show you on a computer, just to show you how it looks a little bit better. I'm going to do it on a computer that, it's a regular computer, not a virtual machine. So I'm going to click over here, Help Someone. I'm going to get a code. And let me jump to my other computer. 9. Okay, I entered that code on the other end, on the other computer. Now it is connecting. This can be a little bit slow. Now the other on the remote computer is asking me to allow. I'm going to click it. and there's that remote screen is going to pop up. Now you'll see it looks much more like a regular computer screen now. It was so small and tiny and poor resolution because it was in that virtual machine, but you'll see it looks like a regular one. And again, if I can only see this computer now, I can't do anything with it. But I can click request control, and then it would allow me to control it. Anyway, it's a really cool little feature built into Windows, and if it's not in your version of Windows when you search for it, you can get it from the Microsoft Store. Anyway, I thought this was really cool. This is similar to TeamViewer or some of the other remote assistants, and it's already part of Windows, or you can download it real easy.